Good morning, students. Today we have to see Unit 4 Electricity. Topic Domestic Electric Circuits on page number 51. Learning objectives of today class are understand domestic electric circuit, know about modern appliances such as LED bulb and LED television. So first we will see about domestic electric circuits. The electricity produced in power station is distributed to all the domestic and industrial consumers through overhead and underground cables. This diagram shows the general schematic of the domestic electric circuit. In our homes, electricity is distributed through the domestic electric circuits wired by the electricians. The first stage of the domestic circuit is to bring the power supply to a main box. See the diagram. So this is the main box. This is the meter box. Okay, this is main switch. So the first stage of the domestic electric circuit is bring the power supply to the main box from a distribution panel, such as it's for example a transformer. The important components of the main box are fuse box. You see here main fuse. This is the fuse box, and the second one meter. The next one, the meter is used to record the consumption of electrical energy. What is the meaning of consumption? What is the amount we used? The next one, a fuse and an MCB. The fuse box contains either a fuse wire or a miniature circuit breaker, that is MCB. The function of the fuse wire or MCB is protect the household electrical appliances from overloading due to excess current. That is heavy amount of current flows to the appliances, means the MCB circuit breaker is cut or the fuse wire cut. So the circuit is changed to open circuit. So there is no current flow after that instant. Okay. Then you see the diagram is the MCB, miniature circuit breaker MCB, that inner side of the MCB. MCB is a switching device which can be activated automatically as well as manually, both also possible. Then it has a spring, you see, attached to the switch, which is attracted by a electromagnet. Electromagnet means when we apply the current, it acts as a magnet. It's like a iron rod, but it acts as a electromagnet when we pass the current. When an excess current passes through the circuit, hence the circuit is broken. You see, the circuit is broken and the protection of the appliance is ensured. So this is the diagram for the MCB, miniature circuit breaker. Then we move to the next one. The electricity is brought to house by two insulated wires. You see the first wire, it's a live wire. Out of these two wires, red insulation. So wire la velila red insulations irukku அப்படினா அது என்னது live wire. Okay, red color insulation. Then you see the other wire, it has a black insulation and is called neutral wire. So there is two wires, one is live wire, then another one is neutral wire. The electricity supply to our house is actually an alternative current having an electric potential of 220 volt. After the main switch, these wires are connected to live wires of two separate circuits. So out of these two circuits, one circuit is of a 5 ampere rating, which is used to run the electric appliances with a lower power rating such as tube bulbs, tube lights, bulbs and fans. What about the other one circuit? It contains 15 ampere rating, so which is used to run electric appliances with a high power rating. So current அதிகமா தேவைப்படுற அந்த மாதிரி devices appliances we can use the 15 ampere. That is the second type of circuit. Air conditioners, refrigerators, electric iron and heaters we use into the second circuit, that is 15 ampere rating. So all the circuits in a house are connected in parallel. So why we connect this one in parallel? If one appliance is disconnect, others will work independently. So parallel connect பண்ணோம்னா ஒரு circuit ஒரு particular device work ஆகல, so other appliances and other circuits are works independently. So amount of current is more, that is so very important. Why the circuits connected in parallel means the amount of current is more as effective resistance is less. So in India, so we use potential difference 220 to 230 volt with frequency 50 hertz. In other countries like USA or UK, domestic circuits are applied with an electric current of potential 110 to 120 volt with a frequency 60 hertz. So it should be noted that all the circuits in the house are connected in parallel, so that the disconnection of one circuit does not affect the other circuit. So one more advantage of the parallel connection of circuits is that each electric appliance gets an equal voltage. That is very important. In our country, the alternative current of potential is 220 to 230 volts. So every appliances get equal voltage when it's applied in parallel. Then we move to the next one, overloading and short circuiting. So overloading, when the amount of current passing through a wire exceeds the maximum permissible limit, the wires get heated. So we know about the Joule's law of heating. When heavy current is passes in the circuit, so the wires get heated. The wires get heated to such an extent that the fire may be caused. This is known as overloading. Then what about the short circuiting? When a live wire and comes in contact with the neutral wire, it causes a short circuiting. Due to short circuiting, the effective resistance, that means total resistance in the circuit becomes very small. Resistance ரொம்ப கம்மி ஆயிடுச்சுனா current flow எப்படி இருக்கும், ரொம்ப அதிகமா இருக்கும். So about this reason, the flow of large amount through the wires. So this results in heating of wires to such an extent that a fire may be caused in the buildings or appliances. So resistance, total resistance value come to decreased means what about the current value? The current value is increased. So there is a large current passed through the wires means it comes to heat, then it causes the fires. Then the next one, earthing. Earthing is very important. You see, from the electricity meter there is a connection with green color wire. In domestic circuits, a third wire, this is the third wire, first wire leave wire with the red insulation, then neutral wire with the black insulation, then third wire earth wire having green insulation is usually connected on the body of the metallic electric appliances. Edala metals use panama, refrigerator, what about iron box, so we use heater. So idella metallic electric appliances, so compulsory enna pananum, we can connect with the earth. Then you see the next one, the earth wire sends the current from the body of the appliance to the earth. Whenever a leave wire accidentally touches the body of the metallic electric appliances, leave wire வந்து metallic appliances touch பண்றப்ப என்ன ஆகும், heavy current pass ஆகும். So that reason it is a metal. So the earth wire serves as a protective conductor which saves us from electric shocks. Then LED bulb. What is LED? Light emitting diode. An LED bulb is a semiconductor device that emits visible light when an electric current passes through it. The color of the emitter light will depend on the type of materials used. With the help of the chemical compounds like gallium arsenide and gallium phosphide, the manufacturer can produce LED bulbs that radiates red, green, yellow, orange colors. So displays in digital watches and calculators, traffic signals, street lights, decorative lights, etc. are some examples for the uses of LEDs. How the variety of colors possible means the combination of the compounds like gallium arsenide and gallium phosphide. Then the next one, 7-segment display. A 7-segment display is the display device used to give an output in the form of numbers or text. It is used in digital meters, digital clocks, microwave ovens, etc. It consists of 7 segments of LEDs in the form of digit 8. These 7 LEDs are named as A, B, C, D, E, F and G. Then the extra 8th LED is to display a dot. What are the merits of LED bulb? As there is no filament, there is no loss of energy in the form of heat. Suppose filament இருந்துச்சுன்னா அது ஹீட் ஆகுறதுனால என்ன ஆகும், current loss ஆகும். ஸோ அது இங்கே இல்லை. So there is no filament in the LED bulb. So there is no loss of energy in the form of heat. It is cooler than the incandescent bulb. What is incandescent means? It is emitting light as a result of being heated. Then in comparison with the fluorescent light, the LED bulbs have significantly low power requirement. The power required for the LED bulbs is very low. Then the third one, it is not harmful to the environment. A wide range of colors, variety of colors possible. It is cost efficient and energy efficient. Then mercury and other toxic material. Toxic means it is a poisonous. That materials are not required to make a LED bulbs. So these 6 are the merits of LED bulb. Then we move to the LED television. LED television is one of the most important applications of light emitting diodes, LEDs. And LED TV is actually on LCD TV. What is LCD? Liquid crystal display with LED display. On LED display uses LEDs for backlight and an array of LEDs act as pixels. What is the meaning of pixels? Pixels means it's a small screen, a minute area of illumination of a display screen. So LEDs emitting white light are used in monochrome. Monochrome means only one color. It's black and white TV. The next one, red, green and blue LEDs are used in color televisions. What are the colors? Red, green and blue. LEDs are used in color television. The first LED television screen was developed by James P. Mitchell in 1977. It was a monochromatic display. Monochromatic means it's a one color possible. It's a older type of black and white. Then after 3 decades, in 2009, Sony introduced the first commercial LED television. Then what are the advantages of LED television? It has brighter picture quality. Picture quality is brighter. Okay. Then it is thinner in size. Then third one, it uses less power and consumes very less energy. And its lifespan is more. It is more reliable. Reliable means it's a trusty one or a good in quality. So today we discussed the topics domestic electric circuits. The domestic electric circuits are connected with the 3 wires. What are the 3 wires? Red color insulation, live wire. Then black color insulation, neutral wire. Then third one, green color insulation, earth wire. Then we studied about the overloading and short circuiting. What is overloading? Overloading means when the amount of current passing through a wire exceeds the maximum permissible limit, the wires get heated. Then short circuit, when lay wire comes in contact with the neutral wire, it causes the short circuit. Then two types of circuits with one 5A rating, 5 ampere rating, then another one 15 ampere rating. Then LED bulbs, it's a semiconductor device, LED. It used in 7 segments it display. Digital clocks, microwave ovens, digital meters use the 7 segment display. Then merits of LED bulb also discussed. Then LED television and advantages of LED television. Advantages of LED television means compare with the normal television, it is a brighter picture quality, thinner in size, lifespan is more, and it is reliable. Thank you, students.